I love Scooch products so much. They make some of the best phone cases out there, and this is their Moneymate. Now this case is for an iPhone 15 Pro because that's what I have, but they're always updating, so you can always get this for your phone, whatever it is. Now Scooch backs these up with a guarantee, so you know you're getting a really high quality case here, and you can feel it. It has really good thickness throughout. Really nice grips along the edges. It has a lot more bevel around the camera lenses to really protect your cameras. And then the card case right here can hold up to 4 cards. And what's nice is if you don't have 4 cards you want to put in it, it actually has a pretty good push-in band here, which means it's always going to be tightly pushing against whichever cards are in there to hold them in place. And here it is close up. You can see how protective that interior is. There's a lot of space just in case there was a drop to protect it. Along the sides you have really good grips and you have the various buttons. On the back, this is a really nice opening for the phone camera. And then of course you have the place for the cards, and this can hold up to 4 cards, and thanks to this bump in here, it will even hold just 1. So let's pop in a phone. Pops in very cleanly, really nice, still decently slim while being able to hold all your cards. I love that so much. And now I have my 4 main cards in it. They fit beautifully, they slide out wonderfully. I love this case, really impressed. And finally, you can get this in a variety of patterns, so find the one that best suits you. I cannot recommend Scooch phone cases enough, and I really love their Moneymate case.